Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create Google API for Greviews module, and you can easily do it from module backing. If you install module already, you can see there is a section called Google API help, and get Google API key. Click on this button. First you have to click on this button, then it will go to cloud.google.com maps platform, and it takes a few seconds to load. So in top, if you check that, it will say geolocations APIs, and you have to log into your account must, and then you will see there is two options. One is contact sales and get started. You will click with get started, this one. So for Greviews module you need two section to check in, I mean maps and places. Then you will just ensure continue, and then you will just create your own project like Greviews demo. So you just put your own project name, then you will click next. Then it will shows that enable Google's Maps platform, and it takes few seconds to load. So if you don't have billing address set up with this project, you just have to make sure enable billing for project Greviews demo. And it says that you are not administrator. I don't put any billing info for my for this project, so it shows that create a billing account.